Welcome back, friend. In last video we have learned about the toast message and the alert dialog. In this video we are going to learn the how to pass data from one activity to another activity and how to create another activity. Okay, because we have only one page application, I wanted to move one page to another page. So how to create another page? So for that you need to come to here in this package, right click and new, go to new. There will be activity, fragment, all those things. So I'm going to create another activity. So here in the activity we having the options. So I'm going to create empty activity, and here by default name is main activity 2. So I'm giving the name second activity. Okay, so this also got changed. Now I'm going to click on finish. So second activity got created. Now once if you check to the manifest file, here this application second activity already got created. Okay, so this one is man. See here, man is a launcher. So and second one is not a launcher, so only this intent filter is not there in second activity. Okay, so how to go from main activity to second activity? So here button click, I am going from first activity to second activity. So how can I do that? For that, what I'll do, I'll create one intent. Okay, so where intent is equal to intent then this intent required this comma the where you are going to navigate the second activity, Okay, now start activity, there will be one function as start activities here. So I need to use this one start activity and passing this intent. Okay, now run this application. In second activity we can see that XML file, there is nothing. So what I can do, I'll create here one text view, so it will be easy to get that this is a second activity. Okay, second activity. Now let me run. If I'll press this button, it will navigate to second activity. See, this is second activity. If I click on back, it will come to first activity, main activity. Okay, and suppose you wanted to take some data, input data to second activity and show to second activity. Okay, suppose in edit text, let me show you the, suppose you are writing your name here and this hello you wanted click on button, you wanted to show it here. So how you can do it? For that we can intent dot, we can use put extra. Okay, put extra and write the here key and here value, read text dot text. So this, with this name we can access. Okay, now I can go to second activity, and here I can receive that bundle. So I'll use val bundle is equal to bundle is equal to intent dot extras. Okay, here it is showing error. Okay, I need to nullable, make it nullable. Okay, now name is equal to, I am receiving here the name. Okay, so I can use the bundle dot get the key what I'm using here, same key name. I'll copy from here and same key I'll paste it here. Okay, with this key I'll receive that data. So here I am having text2. Let me go to this XML ID. I need to check. Yeah, text2. So is not. Okay, let me create through the where text is equal to find view ID text view dot id dot text view 2. Now I am setting this name to here, text dot text is equal to name dot to string. Okay, now let me run it here. So I am writing here Namaste Coder. So once I'll click the button, this Namaste Coder will go to second activity. See, you can see here Namaste Coder came. So how you'll get to know that this is coming right or not? So you can use here log dot e and here use the tag second activity, then what is data, use here, then here use print name. Now copy this and go to your logcat. Here there will be a logcat here, just here paste it. Okay, then run. It will print it here. So like we are printing, so printing thing we can do through log e or log d. Okay, so I am writing here okay. Now click on button. It's not printed. But here it came. Why it is not coming here? Let me add log d, then we'll check. Use here hello Okay, see, hello, this text got printed here. So use logd in activity. Even in fragment you can use logd or logd. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.